Hello everyone, I'm Halima-Tus-Sadia. I'm the head of growth at Spreeha Foundation. I'm excited to walk you through our 2023 impact till October. Thank you so much for helping us make hundreds and thousands of dreams come true. Okay, let's jump into our 2023 impact till October. This year, we have been to 14 different locations across 8 districts. We have worked in 5 program areas: health, education, skills, economic opportunities, and community empowerment. With 10 impactful projects, we have been able to reach more than 35,000 lives. And this has been possible through all of your support. A big round of applause for you all. Let's look into our healthcare impact now. Sneho is our signature healthcare project. I'm sure you all remember that in Bangladesh, Spreeha started its journey with a mobile health clinic in Rare Bazar slum. That mobile clinic gradually became a static one, providing primary health care in the last 10 years, serving more than 200,000 patients. On this 11th year, we wanted to amplify our impact, expanding our reach and serving more people in underdeveloped areas of the country. So we took a leap, building on our 10 years experience, and we designed a sustainable community healthcare model where we will have a network of 100 urgent healthcare centers in the country led by health entrepreneurs. This way, the community will continue to have access to quality treatment and the entrepreneur will have a stable income source. And we get to expand our reach, a win-win situation for everyone. In the last 10 months, we have established 11 such urgent healthcare centers in Dhaka, Gazipur, and Sirajganj. Four of them are up and running and already serving patients every day. Rest of the 7 we have onboarded last month and will be operational from December. We have served 15,000 patients in the last 10 months. Services included, as always, doctor consultation, safe medication, and quality diagnostic facilities. As I said, these healthcare centers are led by entrepreneurs. We have met with 283 of them in the process, and we discussed how we can make healthcare easily accessible in their communities, how community healthcare can become financially sustainable so that their services last longer for the community and are not entirely dependent on us. And we at Spreeha together we can expand to new areas, reaching more and more people with quality healthcare with every urgent care center we open next. Our cataract surgery project was funded by JECO Foundation from Canada. We completed this project in August. You'll be surprised to know that nearly 6 million people in Bangladesh suffers from vision impairment and 74% of those are caused by cataracts. Cataract is often considered as a sign of aging and left untreated because people tend to take it as a natural process, proving that 68% of our patients in this project were above 50 years old, whose treatment decision depended on their families and got delayed. We organized a vision camp for them at Faridpur. 1,800 people got their eyes checked and were prescribed as necessary. With the help of a local eye hospital and a renowned ophthalmologist in Bangladesh, we provided free surgery and post-operative care to 856 patients. I got to say that it was an empowering journey for all of us at Spreeha, experiencing how vision can improve quality of a person's life drastically overnight. Let's move on to our education project's impact now. Duranto Education for Children is one of Spreeha's core funded projects. This project has 4 components: preschool for 3 to 5 years old kids, after school program for school going children, scholarships for students to continue with their education, and parental counseling. 50 children are attending our preschool this year. We have 30 students in after school program and we have provided scholarships to 48 students for higher education who are now attending med schools, nursing schools, and engineering schools. As we have started working in a new slum this year, our primary focus has been providing extensive parental counseling. Also, in a new and untapped areas like these, parents needed a lot of convincing to send their children to our facility. Through our parental counseling sessions, we have engaged 100 parents this year. STEM education project has been the newest addition to our education initiatives. In the last 2 decades, enrollment of students in science has come down to below 20% in Bangladesh due to resource constraints. Through our project, we are working to build teachers' capacity, sensitize parents, and increase interest in students to study science. We have created 4 practical-based learning modules on ninth graders' books on physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. Here you can see the cover pages of those modules. We are training 21 students and got connected with 25 teachers and parents this year in one secondary school in Chattogram. This project will be in its pilot phase till the end of 2024. Starting 2025, we want to have a full-fledged STEM project catering to our students' needs. The project is funded by Rohim Family Foundation. Let's move on to our skills training projects impact. This year's skills training projects have been heavily focused on girls' leadership and technical skills in university students. We had Microsoft Nurturing Communities project this year, funded and supported by Microsoft. 13 students from Noakhali Science and Technology University participated in this project. Students just completed their technical skills training and passed all the tests last week. We had a graduation ceremony and they were awarded with Microsoft Gig Academy certification. Now they will receive additional 6 months of career mentoring from Microsoft employees. There's also high chance of getting job at Microsoft and partner organizations as support engineers for qualified candidates. English and Digital for Girls Education project is supported and funded by British Council and HSBC. 13 to 18 years old girls from slums in Dhaka learn English, digital skills and entrepreneurial skills through a peer-led model. For every 10 girls, we have one peer group leader who directly learns from British Council's experienced trainers time to time, and that girl then come back to her club and pass on her learning to her team members. We have worked with 1440 girls this year and conducted 1300 learning sessions with them. And these girls also got access to different networking sessions, and they even attended more than 10 networking sessions organized by the Embassy, British Council and HSBC. They received financial literacy workshop from HSBC professional. Having access to these tools and exposures and different skills training program, these girls are now more confident than ever. They do not hesitate to carry out conversation both in person and in bigger stages. Progga Empowering Adolescents is one of our core projects. We form community-based girls' clubs and create safe space for them. Girls can express themselves and explore their full potential without the fear of being judged. Through regular sessions, girls learn about leadership skills, get social education, health and well-being related information and help. We also focus on financial literacy and safe internet uses to help them take control of their lives. In the last 10 months, we have conducted 486 sessions with 332 girls in Meherpur and Dhaka. Girls learn through 2 interactive handbooks, role playing, and storytelling. This year, we have added a new component to our program, that is training girls in employable skills. We want to ensure that girls have access to decent work and they can transition smoothly to their career once they are done with their education. 44 girls received basic tailoring and fabric dyeing training in Dhaka and Meherpur to ensure that. Now let's look into how our Economic Opportunities project did this year. Our economic empowerment project, UDOY, connects trained individuals and entrepreneurs with opportunities to accelerate their business outcome. This year, we have provided small grant and technical support to 42 entrepreneurs in Dhaka, Bogura and Nator. This has been a milestone project for us as for the first time we have started directly working in agricultural sectors. of the country. Among the 42 entrepreneurs, 40 are farmers and agri entrepreneurs who have different cattle farm, vegetable farms, and different paddy farms. We have also helped one IT entrepreneur in setting up his computer training center and one female entrepreneur in setting up her electric shop in Dhaka. We are also supporting these entrepreneurs technically with licensing support, marketing strategy building, and financial management. Let's look into our community empowerment projects now. Accept was a community empowerment project funded by Action Aid Bangladesh. This project was implemented in different slums and displaced community areas in Kilgaon. We completed this project in August. This project is centered around the empowerment of sponsored children and their families. Through this project, we have worked with 952 children aged 3 to 8 in our community-based child space. We also engaged their family members in different women's group, youth forum, and child forum. We have reached 2,640 community members through different group discussions, meetings, and public hearing. Community awareness and motivation program is a cross-cutting activity to all our core projects. Community mobilizers go door to door and make community members aware of healthcare, education, skills training, economic opportunities, and lifestyle-related issues for empowerment. Till October 2023, we have served 10,433 community members through door-to-door awareness, group meetings, and stakeholder engagements. We also run community-based moms clubs where we focus on preliminary health screening, myth busting, peer support, and caregivers engagement for safe pregnancy. We also conduct growth monitoring for below 5-year-old children to ensure health and nutrition. Through these services, we have reached 2,237 mother and children. Youth group has been the newest addition to our to this project this year. We have 200 youth aged 18 to 35 both in Dhaka and Meherpur. We have helped and mobilized them to take responsible actions for their communities. The ultimate goal of this project is to transform communities with awareness and counseling along with all our service-oriented projects. Yes, this was all I had to share with you. Thank you so much for joining us today.